Hello, this is Demet Demirer, your agility coach. I would like to tell you how my 20 years of experience in the construction industry prepared and even forced me for agile transformation as a professional. I began my career in the sector as an architect with master's degree with big dreams. I had started working as a planning engineer for one of the leading international facade contracting companies based in Turkey. Even at the end of the 1990s, as the PMO located at the head office, we were updating the work schedules with thousands of activities and optimizing the resources for around 30 or 40 domestic and international projects on a weekly basis. Since our organization and the suppliers had limited capacity, it was crucial for us to coordinate the uncertainties and variabilities in our projects. So we put a lot of effort into planning and replanning. Meanwhile, we were in the middle of the conflicts between departments, the clients, and the other parties. Despite spending so much effort on planning and coordination and working overtime, we were challenging with our project goals. After nearly 10 years of trying to get projects on track, I decided to make a change in my career. I had a fresh start as the PMO manager in one of the leading project management consultancy firms. Now, at least, I had the chance to intervene in projects at the design, tender, contract, or master planning stages before things get out of track. As the project management contractor, just at the center of the conflicts, we were trying to ensure coordination between the investors, developers, designers, suppliers, contractors, and the other stakeholders in many international projects. Again, at the end of nearly 10 years, though I'd been managing partner for a while, I left the company and the sector. I did not want to work any longer in a sector where conflicts is so high, so resistant to development, and so unproductive. In 2015, I founded my company, Demet-Agile Innovative Management Consultancy, which means Architect of Change in English, and started working on change management, entrepreneurship, and innovation-oriented management models for sustainable success of companies in the VUCA world. Meanwhile, I had mentoring and coaching trainings and earned certificates. All this industrial experience showed me, though we were working with people, for people, we didn't know anything about people. So I went back to university and studied sociology. During this period, I started to mentor technology startups and attempted to learn agile management approach to mentor them properly. Because until then, as a certified project management professional, I was an expert in classical project management. We were taught that everything had to be planned in detail at the beginning, and initial scope, time schedule, budget, and quality plans were the scriptures of the projects. However, in a world dominated by volatility and uncertainty, this rule was no longer valid. When I dived deep into agile management approach, I realized that the focus of agile approach was just people for adaptation to change. Developing high-tech successful products was the result of this manner. The classical management approach we had used for all these years in the construction industry had a large share in the failure of the projects. Thereupon, with the foresight that agile management approach can improve our industry's way of doing business, I led to initiate 3 pilot projects in our industry in 2017 as a joint project of Istanbul Project Management Association and Agile Turkey Community. As one of the pioneer attempts in the world, we had successfully applied Scrum in extremely risky and important projects of organizations with different structures. We applied Scrum in the stages of concept design, construction site, and facade shop drawing phases with the main contractors, site team, architectural design team, and facade contractors design team. Subsequently, we founded the Happy Construction for Happy World community to continue the agile transformation movement in our industry. I will give some more details about Happy Construction and Contactverse, the ecosystem of construction projects, in the rest of this session. Rebuilding World is my brand where I produce content in English on the subject of rebuilding the construction industry, of course. For the development of our industry, we all need to bring our experience together. For this reason, I'm keen on carrying out studies within local and international non-governmental organizations to develop our industry with like-minded people. The Construction 5.0 working group of the International Confederation of Contractors Associations and the International Association of Facility Technical Managers are two of them. I write articles and produce content for various publications to raise awareness about agility in our industry. Those who know me in person find me so enthusiastic and energetic for the development of the construction industry. I think the source of my energy is my enthusiasm to create happy employees, happy customers, value-added work, and continuous improvement. After this course, I hope my energy and enthusiasm will grow with yours. There's a better way for the construction industry. I'm sure we can create a happier industry and a happier world together with the participation of the pioneers like you. As the construction industry, we are responsible for the happiness of the world. But first, we need to ensure that the stakeholders and the employees of the industry are happy on a common ground. Happy Construction for Happy World is a platform where we seek happiness for all stakeholders and users in the sector through Agile Management approach. We conduct meetups, trainings, and workshops to ensure development in this regard. Happy Construction community members are usually of the younger generation because they are more prone to autonomy and allergic to hierarchy and management by instructions. Our community is open to all stakeholders of the real estate and construction sector from the idea phase to the demolition phase, and to architects and engineers of the different levels of experience. We need to think together and collaborate to fix the problems of our world. If you want to learn more, you can access the content we produce via this QR code and learn agility by joining our community on Discord channel. New technologies, database business models, and artificial intelligence have changed our lives in all sectors. Unfortunately, the construction industry lags far behind these developments. To become truly agile and transform our industry, we need to leverage digitalization of our sector. Although building information modeling, document management, and ERP platforms are the digital tools come to mind at first, when considering digital transformation in our industry, we need an entrepreneurial perspective and technologies that will rebuild our way of doing business. I have led foundation of Contactverse, the ecosystem of contact startups, in 2021 with the aim of developing new technologies and entrepreneurship in our sector. We started Contactverse as a virtual incubation center for contact startups to create value and develop together. Today, our ecosystem consists of startups, mentors, and other stakeholders of our industry. Our main goal is to enable our industry to develop with technology and innovation to create a better world. Our motto is technology for environment and society. For this purpose, we carry out various sectoral activities like mentoring, joining exhibitions, and organizing meetups. You can visit our website via this QR code here, and you can reach us to develop projects together. The crucial thing I want to underline is both communities are independent, self-organized, and have no hierarchy.